Okay, today we did Rumba, and we practiced a couple of things before we did our steps. We did working through our feet, and when we change the weight from side to side, lifting the heel, pressing the knee forward, squeezing the other leg, and then changing, changing, changing. We can do that in place, leaving our feet where they are, rolling through, pressing like we're trying to make an impression on the ground, and taking our center of mass, which is somewhere belly button hip area, and keeping it slightly forward as we shift weight. If we allow it to drop back when our heel drops back, it tends to drag us backward. We have less control that way. And we want control when our feet hit the ground. This is a toe-heel situation. And again, the leg that's the heel is lifting, the other one is squeezing the bum, squeezing the knee. Squeeze and press, alternating. And we try, if we're using our arms, to have opposite arm leg, because that helps our brain connect our upper and lower body through the center for core activation, which also is wonderful for controlling our bodies, for stability, for expression, for all of those things. So that's the footwork we were practicing. The other thing we did when we were doing that is felt our pelvis, our hips move. So what happens when we lift that heel is that same side hip drops down just a little, and then as we straighten the leg, it raises up a little. And that provides the sort of swaying of the hips. So instead of thinking of the movement coming from the hips, we know the movement comes from the feet. All right, so, and that's how we moved around while we were doing the Rumba. And Rumba rhythm, we did slow Rumba, is slow, quick, quick, or 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna face away from you and do our basic Rumba box. If we're the leader, the left leg goes first. I'm in the back left corner of my box, stepping forward on the slow. Slow. And then I step to the forward right corner, quick, quick. Quick, quick. Changing my weight right away. Unweighting the leg that's going next, which goes to the back corner, back right. Slow. Finishing up, quick, quick. Forward left, slow. Quick, quick, back right, slow. Quick, quick, forward left, slow. Quick, quick, back right, slow. Quick, quick. The other thing that's important when you're practicing is think small. Don't try to do big box because it'll be harder to keep up with the rhythm. Instead, just think about feeling your feet in the ground. Do a teeny tiny box. Okay? As a follower, we do the same box, but we start with the back part. Back right, slow. To the side, quick, quick. Forward left, slow. Quick, quick. Same box, we just start with the back half. The last thing that we did today was we did a turning box. And we set up the room with visual cues. Corner, wall, corner, wall, corner, wall, corner, wall. And we stepped to our turning box as a leader, front left. We started our turn with the front left, the very first step of the box as the leader, front left. And we used our eyes to find our reference point, corner. We're gonna look to the left corner. Slow, and then we just finished our box right there. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And when we're ready to turn again, we go wall, slow and turn. Then we finish, quick, quick, slow, quick, and we continue, corner, slow. And then we finish, quick, quick, back right, slow, quick, quick. It was a little more challenging when we were thinking from the partner's point of view. Our first step as a follower, is back right, and we still turn left. So what we want to think of is, that's my point of reference when I step back to the right, sort of slightly out to the side. So I'm the follower, my right leg is ready. I turn my box, I'm looking to the left, slow, and I finish it. Quick, quick, forward left, slow, quick, quick, step back right, turn to the wall. Quick, quick, finish it forward. Quick, again, I turn, back right, look at the corner. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. That was our slow rumba. We did it opposite a partner, where one was lead and one was follow. Teach it to somebody to get your practice in, and we will do more fun things next week. Oh yeah, there's music below. Feel free to play it while you are practicing.